Juliet.
Where's my ammo?
Oh great, those jerks trapped us in here.
Mind if I join?
I'm stoked! Thanks a lot! What's the deal, dude?
Zombie cop.
A zombie with a gun? No fair!
Sorry, mate.
Dying hurts so bad.
No!
Oh man, their bodies are racked with bombs.
We need to hit him and run away before they explode! Come on! Ah! Oh my god!
What the heck is this?
Those zombies totally pulled my underwear up my butt.
Oh, watch out!
Look what those jerks did to our school!
Yeah, but it does get me. Gun!
I'll be back for you!
Uncool, asshole!
I got video. I'm gonna post this shit on YouTube.
That's the dude who stranded us. Yeah, he's getting what he deserved.
But we can't just let them all die, Nick.
Juliet, I am so totally gonna masturbate to you tonight.
So what are you gonna do now, Juliet?
Watch me, Nick. You're already dead.
Juliet, where are we going?
I need to find Morikawa-sensei. He'll know what to do.
Who's that?
Morikawa-sensei. He's my sensei.
A sensei? What, like a teacher?
I didn't know you spoke Japanese, Nick.
Well, I
Osekai, watashi mo Nihiko o hanashimasu.
I can't speak Japanese, Juliet. I just know that one word.
Aw, your simple innocence is one of the most attractive things about you.
Yeah.
You're like a kitten that doesn't speak Japanese.
Yeah, okay. There's something else written. It says zombie basketball. Time limit 3 minutes. You lose and blam!